Day 37 of a hitchhiking journey to India.
Going on a road trip into the mountains. Yippee! Little pit stop at a lake. Some mountains in the back. And me waving. Hello, I've twisted my ankle again. Right foot. Yeah, so we rest here until Konrad comes back. Let's see if he presents some nice pictures and videos. Down there we came from. Yeah, back down we go now. Doesn't look too shady, hey?
We waited for Konrad's return and watched the sun set behind us.
Time to say goodbye. Thank you, Konrad.
Thank you, have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Same to you. Karakol is complaining and the sun has set. There's the moon. Hey ho, we just set camp. Karakol fell asleep in a heartbeat. And I got a beer from Konrad.
This was